Oh man, I got another good video for you guys. And in today's video, we are going to dive into the exciting career of technology, information technology specifically, and these are going to be the top 3 perfect entry-level work from home IT related jobs. And I am specifically focusing on entry-level IT related jobs because this is where you can kickstart your career.
Well, I like that.
Did I say from the comforts of your home? Yes, these will be entry-level work from home opportunities that you will have in the workforce. That's right, we'll be uncovering the top 3 best entry-level IT work from home jobs that will be your ticket to a rewarding IT career so that you can elevate to the unknown. And before we get to the video, my name is Antoine Wade and I run the Elevate to the Unknown YouTube channel. And guys, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because we drop videos twice a week on a Tuesday and Thursday, and we do a live stream on the weekends. And guys, if you like this sort of content, make sure that you hit like on the video. Now let's jump into the video. At number 3, guys, is a help desk technician. And this is where I started my career off, in the help desk, guys. It is the entry level for you to break into just about any single tech career, and that's where the majority of people started their tech career as well, in help desk. But let me explain what a help desk technician is. A help desk technician is an entry-level IT professional responsible for providing technical assistance and support to end users within a business or an organization. And they play a critical role in addressing and resolving a whole bunch of hardware, software, and network related issues to ensure smooth functioning of the IT systems. And you could think of help desk technicians as frontline support in the IT industry, serving as the first point of contact for individuals encountering technical issues. And their primary responsibility is to troubleshoot issues, offer solutions, and provide excellent customer service to the end users. And I came across a great story of a lady named Kathy Chance. And before becoming a help desk technician, Kathy was a stay-at-home mom, and her kids were getting older, so she wanted to send them to daycare and take on a little bit more work. Her life had become monotonous, and she said she was living in the twilight zone. So she started looking up careers that she can enter into at the entry level, and she came across My Computer Career. And she went through their program and learned all about entry-level IT positions. And she learned the skills that was needed in order for her to become a help desk technician. And now Kathy works in desktop support remote for a cybersecurity firm. And this could be you no matter what stage of life that you're in, whether you are a parent and you're looking for extra work, or you're looking to make a transition in your career, or you are a student just graduating out of college, or you are a student in college. A IT help desk technician is a great career.
Oh, wow.
And IT help desk technicians are paid handsomely with an average salary of about $57,000 a year. And the skills that you need to become a IT help desk technician is technical proficiency. So you're having a strong foundation in IT fundamentals. Not only that, great communication skills, because you need to be clear and an effective communicator when you are talking to people about the challenges that they may be experiencing with their technology. You also need to have problem solving skills and the ability to analyze, diagnose, and resolve issues efficiently. That is a real critical skill. And time management is a good skill to have as well too, because help desk technicians often work in a fast-paced environment with numerous incoming support requests. So efficient time management ensures that the issue is resolved in a timely manner. And to get started, you can gain a high school diploma. That is the minimum requirement, but having a degree or a certification in IT related fields can enhance your opportunities. And certifications such as the CompTIA A+ or Microsoft Certified Modern Desktop Technician or HDI Desktop Support Technician are beneficial. And our partner Course Careers have an IT help desk course taught by Josh Modakar that has helped hundreds of individuals break into IT support. So go and check them out with the link in the description of this video. And the course is at a favorable cost of only $500. And if you use my link, you will be able to get a $50 discount. So you'll be only paying $450.
awesome.
You can also break into this role with just hands-on experience. Gaining practical experience through an internship or volunteering or entry-level roles will allow for you to break into if you can share and show that you have those skills. Now let's talk about some of the pros of the role. The biggest pro is that help desk technician is the gateway to other IT careers. Like I said, it is a launching pad. I started my career off as a help desk technician, and it serves as a stepping stone for individuals entering the IT industry, providing valuable experience and exposure. Another pro is that you will have diverse learning opportunities because daily interactions with various technical issues expose help desk technicians to a wide range of IT concepts, fostering continuous learning. And the last pro that I will share with you is career advancement opportunities, because successful experience in the help desk can lead to opportunities for career growth within the IT field, such as moving into system administration or network support roles. Now let's talk about some of the cons. And some of the cons is that the role is in high demand and there is high stress. And this is because the fast-paced nature of help desk environments can be stressful due to high volume of support requests. Another con is that you will have to deal with repetitive tasks, and some aspects of the job may involve routine tasks like handling similar technical issues regularly. Another con is that you will have to deal with challenging customers. Dealing with frustrated or demanding end users can be very, very challenging. And next on the list is the role of a managed service provider, MSP. And managed service provider positions involve working for organizations that provide outsourced IT services to multiple clients. And professionals in these roles often are at the entry-level position, and they assist with troubleshooting, problem resolution, and technical support for a range of clients and their IT needs. And MSP positions are at the heart of IT outsourcing, where individuals work within a centralized organization to deliver comprehensive IT services to a lot of clients. And I came across a company called Intiva, who offers 24/7 technical support for Microsoft and Apple. And they've been a managed service provider for Apple and Microsoft for over 15 years. And they've served organizations in many different industries, including government contracting, healthcare, nonprofit, education, legal services, and financial services as well. So if you are looking for an entry-level role, Intiva is a good place to look for a help desk position or another position entry level to start off working for an MSP provider. And individuals who work in this role can make an average salary of about $89,000. That is a good salary. And the skills that you will need is very similar to that of a help desk technician, with technical proficiency. So a strong understanding of IT systems, networks, and software is essential. Customer service skills, troubleshooting abilities, time management, and great customer service skills. Now let's talk about how to get started. Well, to get started, you should have a background in IT along with relevant certifications such as the CompTIA Network Plus, Microsoft Certified Modern Desktop Technician, or certifications specific to MSP roles. And if you are in school, you should seek internships and entry-level positions to gain practical experience through them. You also want to connect with professionals in the managed service provider industry and attend industry events and explore online forums. Now let's talk about some of the pros of working in a position like this. The pros is that you will get diverse experience because managed service providers, they gain exposure to a wide range of technologies and environments. Another pro is that you will have career advancement opportunities, and another pro is that you will have a lot of client interaction. Now let's talk about some of the cons. Some of the cons are high workload because you have to juggle multiple clients. Another con is that you have to deal with varied technology because different clients use different technologies. And another con is that it is client dependence because success as a MSP or in a MSP position often depends on the satisfaction of the overall client. So if the client isn't having success, then you're not doing a good job, no matter how well you may be doing. And next and final on the list is an IT technician. And an IT technician is a professional that's responsible for providing technical support troubleshooting, and maintenance of IT systems within a business. And this entry-level position often involves addressing hardware and software issues, setting up and configuring systems, and ensuring the overall functionality of IT infrastructure is working. And many people think that help desk and IT technicians do the exact same work. They do in some aspects of it, but they are completely different roles. Whereas help desk is the first point of contact, IT technicians are involved into the day-to-day, and they're not the first point of contact. And IT technicians make on average about $57,000 a year. And the skills you need to become a IT technician: technical proficiency, so making sure that you have strong IT fundamentals. Not only that, problem-solving skills, customer service skills, attention to detail, and adaptability. And to get started, you should have a minimum of a high school diploma, but having an associate or a bachelor's degree in a relevant field can be beneficial. And certifications like the CompTIA A+ or Microsoft Certified Modern Desktop Technician will definitely enhance your credibility. Hands-on experience is definitely important. Not only that, networking and continuously learning. Now let's talk about some of the pros of this position. It is an entry point to IT careers, and not only that, you will have diverse learning opportunities because technicians encounter a whole bunch of different technical issues, providing you with the opportunity to learn and gain experience in these different aspects of IT. Now let's talk about some of the cons. Some of the cons: high workload. Not only that, you have to deal with repetitive tasks, and sometimes you have to deal with challenging customers. So there you have it, guys. These are the top 3 best entry-level IT work from home jobs that could be your gateway into an exciting world of technology. If you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like the video. We love likes over here, and share it with anyone who might benefit from these insights. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the channel and the notification bell, because we drop videos twice a week and you don't want to miss any tech career tips or job insights and industry updates. And remember, my name is Antoine Wade, and we run the Elevate to the Unknown YouTube channel. And guys, we will see you on the next video. Until next time, guys. Peace.